The video begins with the invasion of this very cute minion. Which character do you like in these minions? With two characteristic yellow and blue colors, along with simple details, you have a very cute minion. This video will focus on drawing designs of animals. The first is an image of a fox with orange as the main color. Take a dark orange to shape the head of the character, followed by drawing two pointed ends at the top. Then you use the dotting tool to create details for the fox such as eyes, nose. In the near step finally, add two cheeks, and in the character's eyebrows are two lines of the same color as the original drawn ears. Finally, remember to add a layer of glossy paint to enhance the finish of the decoration. With seemingly difficult steps to perfect the figure of the character, you can draw easily with the use of supporting tools and your meticulousness. Can you guess the next character in this animal collection? It is revealed to you that bears with different colors will be the next character after the foxes. With each finger you choose different colors to design the heads of the bears. You can refer to the colors as shown in the video. Similar to the above, you will use the dotting tool to draw parts with small details. Apply transparent paint in the last step and you are done. Welcoming us in the next part are extremely cute rabbits. You use white, the typical color of the rabbit image, to create the head shape. Unlike the fox and the bear, the ears will be drawn much longer than the previous two characters so that the rabbit's identity can be drawn as having long ears. Add a small part in the middle of the ears so that the ears will be more complete. Next you use black to make the nose shape. You will draw it like a heart shape. These bunnies will be slightly melancholy with their eyes closed by drawing a slightly downward slant. Add transparent paint in the last step. With a green color used to shape the character's face, can you guess the next character of this animal series? Have you guessed this is a picture of a cute frog? With the dotting tool you were able to shape the design of the frog's glittery eyes with two colors of white and black, using white first then black, adding two pink dots on both cheeks of the frog. Character designer. Then you use a small and black brush to draw a line to shape the mouth of the honey. To create a highlight for the character, you can draw some eyelashes on the frog's eyes. This will help create a much more unique character image. We're going to change the atmosphere a little bit by changing the subject a bit in this video. We will have a few more ways to design characters for the Halloween event. With characters designed simply and cute, but no less scary. Next we finding Dory in this design, new characteristic blue color with big round eyes, with the help of dotting tool, easy to complete eyes with many different color layers. A small compilation of some animal characters you can simply draw to decorate your nails. The characters have simple designs such as the frog in green, the chicken in white, the pig in pink and the purple bear. The final characters to end this video are classy but still very cute black cats. You use black as the main color to create the character. Next is the design at the ear. You will use triangular strokes to shape the ears. In particular, you should not make the ears too high. It will not make the cat's shape. In the next part, we use white or yellow to decorate the cat's eyes. To complete the eyes, use a straight line from top to bottom. Finally you apply a large clear paint to complete the design. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. Hope this video is useful to you.